Welcome back to a new vlog. I wasn't really sure if I wanted to start up a new vlog immediately, but why not? So today I'm out to get a new SIM for my phone, and I'm at T-Mobile. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, just a quick stop to get my SIM card. Let me show you guys what it looks like.
Where are you from? Nigeria.
Yeah,
You get to keep this, yeah?
Yeah. I'm just gonna put a piece of tape on it.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that it doesn't fall out.
Yeah, so that
Oh, okay. Thank you. Hello. Hi guys, so I'm at the Galleria and this place is so big and pretty. Like you can literally find all the designers that you know in this Galleria, and it's just so fine. Okay. Hello.
There you go.
See the spices corner. here to get bread, Nigerian bread. Oh my goodness. Oh. Won't they get bad?
Bad.
Bad. Hi, another day, another shopping. So I'm at Ikea, first time in Ikea. Need to get like some things briefly. I can't wait to see Ikea. Like a whole lot of YouTubers that live in the US that I follow always rave about Ikea, so I can't wait to see. I just want to like get things for the house, like a mirror and stuff, you know. That's really cool.
We forgot to